What's up, my beautiful, beautiful divas? All right, so I'm coming at you today with a review of, oh, excuse me, what? A review of a product, on a product. My little sister uses this, I think. It's the Creame Nature, Edge Control Snot. I know, right? Sounds nasty. But, I wanted to see if it'll work just like Gorilla Snot does. So I'm taking a edge brush, and also I'm going to be using a rat tail comb. But right now I'm just brushing my edges down, and so that once I put the edge snot, once I put it down, I will be able to maneuver it, and yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah. So I started off using a little bit of this product, and clearly with this product, a little bit does not go a long way. So I later on added more of this product to really, really lay them so that they would cooperate. But yeah, you can see everything I'm doing in the video, so I don't have to insult your intelligence. But I do want to give my review, and just my personal opinion is I would not buy this edge control. I think that it's I don't know, like, to me it seems like grease. To someone else it could seem like something else, but yeah. I would not buy this edge control. I would not use it for free or anything like that. But to each his own. If you try this product, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm like anything else, I'm not bashing this product at all, because everybody needs to get their coins. But yeah, one side laid better than the other, just want to let you know that. But hopefully soon my edges will come back out once these braids loosen up some more. And yeah, so love you, divas. Stay beautiful. Press the notification.